Hi guys, thanks for checking out my video today. I am Grace, also known as Littlemama from workanywherenow.com, and I am going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing in 2019. And I've been making money with my online business for 2 years now, and last year I have earned 40,000. So I'm pretty excited to also teach you how to do this. So let's get to it. Hi, so now I'm here on my laptop to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing. And this is for 2019 and for beginners, so you guys can kind of get started here very quickly. So what is affiliate marketing in the first place? It is a way to make or earn commission when you drive new sales for a brand or a company. So for example, when if I really like Apple, like I use a lot of Apple products, and I join their affiliate program, I will get affiliate links to their products. So if I want to tell somebody about my laptop, let's say, and also want them to refer them to Apple to buy one as well, I could give them my affiliate link, and when they buy it with my affiliate link, then I make a commission. So that's how essentially affiliate marketing is. It's like a referral program. So you would join affiliate programs to get affiliate links, and you want visitors or your readers or get somebody to click on your links so they can, because that link tracks from where you gave them the link to the merchant's website, and that link tracks the commission back to you if they buy something. A majority of the time, that's how affiliate marketing works. And so that's what I've been using. And affiliate marketing, to find the programs, to find the affiliate programs from companies, you could either join the affiliate networks or use a private affiliate program. So affiliate network is like a cj.com or clickbank.com. So where you could go to one platform and there will be a bunch of different affiliate programs in it already. So you just gotta scroll through the different categories and look for the products that you want. Or you could go directly to companies like Walmart, Target, Best Buy, Apple, and apply directly. And Amazon, you could apply directly to Amazon. Amazon has a pretty big affiliate program themselves. And how do you build this business? Now, first you need to pick a niche. Picking a niche means that you're going to be serving a certain group of targeted audience, okay? Picking a niche, a lot of people use these 3 evergreen niches: make money online, health and fitness, or relationships. Now, there's a lot of sub niches that you can narrow it down to. You don't want to pick a broad niche like these. You want to go niche down to a specific topic. That's how you should start anyway, because that's how when you focus on a particular sub niche in one of these big niches, then it's easier for you to get to help the targeted audience. So for me, I am the making money online niche. So, and that's what workanywherenow.com is all about, is to help people how to make money online, and so particularly affiliate marketing. So that's what I have focused on, and that's what my whole site is about. So that's what you want to do. You want to pick a topic where you can really help the people in that niche, okay? And then you're going to search for affiliate products in your niche. You want to find ways to, or find products that you really want to promote. And you want to find products that are reasonably priced. You don't want to be promoting $10 items. You want to be promoting $50 or $100 items, you know? So this research in the beginning is very important, and it will really drive your business later on. Now, once you figure out your niche, then how are you going to build this business? You're going to need to either use free traffic or paid traffic. Those are the two ways. Traffic means visitors, basically. How are you going to find visitors to look at your affiliate links or click on your affiliate links? You're going to use free traffic or paid traffic, but paid traffic, it takes a lot of money. And it's really highly not recommended for any beginners to use paid traffic because there's a lot that goes into it. There's a lot of testing that goes into it. And that's actually something that I haven't really even dived into yet. And because I use only free traffic because I love free traffic. Free traffic makes your business so much more profitable. But yes, it does take longer because you are basically using your time instead of money, okay? So you could use paid traffic or free traffic. But ultimately, it's best to, even if you want to use paid traffic, it is best to create something that will generate you free traffic first. Because if you don't have that with you, then you'll always be paying for traffic, and that's not what you want to do. If you do create an online asset that creates a free traffic, when you start making money from that, then you use that money to invest in paid traffic. Okay, that's a strategy that I'll be taking soon this year for 2019 since I am making good money now. So with free traffic, so I'm going to focus on free traffic because that's what I've been doing. There's two ways of doing it, and I've done the first way, build a website, and right now, as you can see, I am building my second free traffic asset, which is a YouTube channel. I only started the YouTube channel in 2017, but never really, or end of 2017, and then 2018, I didn't really do anything with it. So 2019, I'm going to build myself a second online asset. Now, why I like these two assets is because you could have an extra stream of income with ad revenue, right? So for my website, I get paid for putting ads on my website. And besides the initial setup, there is really it's totally purely passive in that sense. Like I don't do anything, and I make like a 4-digit. I average a 4-digit income right now with just ads alone. So having ads, being able to earn on either of these assets is great, and that's why I recommend these. So what are you going to do when you build your online asset? You're going to create very helpful content. You're going to basically be educating your audience with the niche that you pick. You're going to create, you're going to find different topics by looking at many different areas, okay? So first is keywords. You want to kind of research what people are searching for in your niche. So that's how you can see or answer those questions, because people go online to search for things, okay? And then the more content you produce on either your website or your YouTube channel, the more traffic you're going to get. And then the more money you make. And this is you need to be very consistent with this content creation. And I cannot stress how important this is if you want to use free traffic. The more you can do it, like if you can do it every day, that's awesome. But no, a lot of people starting out can't have that much time. So if you can do start out 1 a week or 2 a week, 2 posts a week, 1 post a week on your website, or a video on your YouTube channel, or 2 videos a week, you could really build up some content that way. So the more, but the more you can build content, the faster the results are. So if you only do 1 a week for a whole year, you're not gonna make a lot of money, because compared to somebody who's gonna be churning out 1 a day first, right? So it's a huge difference, because the more content that you have, the more chances of people seeing that information then the more people seeing that information, the more chances you're going to get those affiliate links clicked on. And that's really the essence of why you want to have the content. And having the content, having those words, it ranks you. You want to rank on these either YouTube or Google. You want to rank on some kind of search engine, and because that's going to give you the best targeted, high targeted traffic, and that's how you're going to convert them. So what is my secret to my success in affiliate marketing? Is definitely getting training. Okay, and Wealthy Affiliate is #1 in affiliate marketing industry to have this training platform that is absolutely amazing. I'm going to put a link underneath this video to show you a walkthrough of the platform and show you my review on Wealthy Affiliate, so you could check that out. But that's where I started. Okay, that's where I started, and you can go on my profile. My profile name on Wealthy Affiliate is Littlemama. And so you just look me up, sign up for free. So you can sign up for free with workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama. If you do that, I'm going to be your free, I'm going to offer you my free coaching services if you upgrade to premium. So they have 2 memberships. I'll just briefly tell you right now. They have a free starter membership. It's free for most people. There are 10 countries that are not eligible for this free starter membership. So then that means that you just gotta go premium right away. And ultimately, you have to go premium anyway to get all the training, unless you already know how to make money with your website. So Wealthy Affiliate teaches you the website path that I was showing you in this video. And that's how I started, and they have awesome help because they have a huge community inside that is really a big secret of Wealthy Affiliate is having that community inside to network with a bunch of other people who are also building their websites to make money from affiliate marketing. So, and you could be talking to someone like me who's making money. You could be talking to beginners. You could be talking to 7-figure earners right there for you to access on that platform, which I find it very mind-boggling to have that kind of access. So, and you could also have access to the owners of Wealthy Affiliate. So, so yes, if you want my coaching services, please sign up with me using that link. And I am a super affiliate of Wealthy Affiliate. I have made $40,000 last year, so I can show you things. I know what I'm talking about, and I could lead you to your own success as well. So go ahead. This link will also be in the video below, and so sign up with me to Wealthy Affiliate, and then subscribe to my channel because I'm going to have way more tips than this. Smash the notification bell too so you can see when my next video comes out, okay? And like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much.